Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Tutorials. In this video, we're going to quickly show you how to remove the rear view mirror from your Nissan Titan. You may want to do this if either your electronics on the rear view mirror are malfunctioning or you want to just install an aftermarket mirror. We'll walk you through the few quick steps to do that. First thing that we want to do is remove the small torque screw that will be up in here. We've already done that ahead of time for this video. After you do that, you want to take a small flathead screwdriver, and at the top of this base, you're going to pry these clips out, and that will bring this part that holds the wire away from the mirror. From there, all you have to do is remove this harness here by applying some pressure with a flathead screwdriver to this tab. This will come right out of the harness, and then you can replace your rear view mirror with whatever replacement part or aftermarket accessory you've purchased. So that's it. Very quick and simple to get the rear view mirror on your Titan replaced. Hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time in our next video.